Wow. Well, guys, I got thunderstorms, but it's like torching. Well, it's actually towards us, um, which is dumb. I mean, I was like, what the hell's going on out there? What a tornado, bro. Like, come on. Wait, we don't need thunderstorms today. Well, it's actually hot outside. Well, I'm starting to sweat for no reason. I'm getting close to it. I hate it. Well, man, it is actual hot outside. So it feels, well, it's actually 97, I believe. And it feels like 110 or 112 degrees outside. Like 112 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which is index, like some type. I don't know how hot is St. Louis right now. I think St. Louis is about 100 today. Missouri has 100 today. Illinois is like 97 or 98. Because it feels like 100 to me, but yeah, it's coming in, guys. I had to get off now, so. Bird, don't get hit. Well, I have to get off now. Peace.